So someone asked how I made the Rainbolt guessing Brawl Stars Maps short, and today I'm going to give a quick tutorial. Now a big disclaimer before we start. Please don't use this to make people say things they did not really say. And if you do, at least put in the description or comments that you used AI to make it or clarify it by clicking yes in the new altered content section on YouTube. But anyway, let's start with the tutorial. So the first tool you're going to need to use is called play.ht. I will put a link to both of the tools we're going to use in the description. So go ahead and click on try for free and fill in the details. You can enter any random phone number. I will log in for now because I already have an account. Once you're signed up, you'll see this screen. From here, click on Voice Cloning. After that, click on Create Voice and choose Instant. After that, fill in the details and upload and reference audio. The voice will be the best if the reference audio is at least 30 seconds without too much background noise. Now fill in some additional details like which language, nationality, age, and stuff like that. Then click on Clone Voice. Now click on Use. Type the text you want to say and download it by clicking the Download button. Now let's go to the second tool called heygen.com. There's a link in the description. Click on Get Started for free and create an account or login if you already have an account. I'm going to log in real quick. Click on AI Studio in the sidebar. Then click on Photo Avatar and after that on Upload and upload the picture you want to use to say the audio. Once the photo is uploaded, click on it and click on Create with AI Studio. Then remove this and click on Upload Audio and upload the audio you created in play.ht. Then wait for it to load and adjust the length of the photo accordingly. After you're happy with everything, click on Submit. You may get a prompt like this. Just press Submit. Now you need to wait for the video to be ready. This usually takes a few minutes. After it's done, click on it to view and download it. This is it. You now know how to create videos like this. And remember, don't do anything bad with it.